meeting up with a group tonight called Sydney Riders. It's a Facebook group. It's one of 3 main Facebook groups. When they do city runs, I meet up with them somewhere along their route on the way to the city. This is the road that they're gonna have to take to go to La Perouse. So if we're running as late as I think we are, there's a chance that we're gonna see them coming the other way, which is not good. Anyway, there's a speed camera here, up there. Is it there or there? Somewhere. There's a speed camera, so the speed limit is 70. The road to La Perouse is just back there, and I haven't seen them yet. We haven't missed them yet. Ooh. Oh yeah, bro! Oh, there's one bike. That's not the group, but still haven't seen them come past. From where they're coming from, Shell in 5 Dock, they have to come this way. They have to come this way. The only bad thing is, right now where we're going, we have to turn off this road to come back around. So I'm not going to see them if they come this way. What should I do? Choices. Consequences. We'll go right. Now we'll go to the service station. Don't speed, don't fuck it up now. Just take it easy. Let's get to the service station. Was the service station this roundabout or was it the next one? I've got a feeling. Man, I used to live in Brighton, Les Sands. I should know this shit. No, it's the next one. It's this one. Or is it the next one? No, it's this one. No, I think it's the next one. No, fuck, it's this one. No, it's the next one. No, it's the next one. It is this one. I know I used to live here, but it was a while ago. Come on. Let's go. Thank you for pulling out. Alright, now let's go in and quickly pour fuel. Yeah, bro. Oh no, I've got fuel. I've got like 3/4 of a tank. Sorry. Oh, you're right. All good. Hey, good. How are you? I poured $4. Thank you. See ya. I just asked these guys if they're on the right, and they said no. And I'm like, I'm pretty sure you're wearing the jumper from that group, bro. Sydney Riders jumper. You know what we'll do? We'll wait in front of that car that's parked because he's blocking us from oncoming traffic. Now we're gonna point and shoot. Yeah, great. Are here bikes? Oh no, that's the guys in the servo. Fuck, I got a feeling we missed it, man. How shit is that? No way they came to Brighton Les Sands and didn't go down Bay Street. There's no chance. Like, what would you even come to Brighton Les Sands if you weren't going to go down the main road of Brighton where all the cafes are? Like, what would you go through the back streets of Brighton to go to Lapa? That doesn't even make sense. And because it doesn't make sense, I believe I'm still right. This is where we should be. Shit. I think we missed them, man. At least we poured $4 worth of fuel. Thank God, huh? We would have done without it. Alright. Let's go to Lapa. Damn it, man. What a bummer. Would have been sick to see them all coming down Bay Street. It's a big group. There's La Perouse over there, where all those lights are. It's next to the Botany Boat Terminal. so we're gonna have to get into the right lane because we're gonna have to go right further ahead. This is where I got literally my first speeding ticket, right here. In this tunnel, on my first 250cc bike, they were sitting right fucking there. And I flew straight past them. And there's a service station just up ahead. And they followed me all the way into the service station, and then they turned on their lights. I didn't even see them sitting there. And that was my first ticket on my first bike. Plane. The airport's just there on our right. I see one bike. It looks lonely. Let's go say hi. Hey bro, how you going? That's the guys from the service station. Let's go front row. This is like at Eastern Creek when you line up. Oh God, fuck! I'm getting old. Hey Don. Hey bro, how you doing? Is that the Sydney Riders group that was
No, that's just a bunch of dudes. I don't know, they're not Sydney West Riders or Sydney Random Riders. I think it's just a bunch of...
Yeah, because I was on the Sydney Riders website tonight on Facebook.
And they said they're coming up here.
They said they're coming up here.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't know that. I don't know that. I didn't even know those guys. I was talking to a guy with the same bike as me. Yeah,
Okay.
I've never ridden with those, right? As well, like Sydney West Riders, I've ridden with heaps, and I don't ride with SMCG much, but I know Michael and all the people in SRR, but not these guys.
Yeah,
so they
okay.
could be Sydney Riders, but
Yeah.
you know as much as me.
No.
We're not. We just come up here because you live near here. That's all.
Yeah, I live around the corner. I just didn't want to go all the way to 5 Dock to meet him to come
That's
back
the whole
this
thing
way.
about all these. That's why we got that little ESC. You know the UN ESC.
Sorry?
UN ESC.
No.
East Sydney. There's a Facebook group called ESC Riders.
Yeah.
And we're all in Sydney Random Riders, but if we're going to go to an SR ride, we'll meet, like, we went to Bankstown yesterday to the Wings and things to meet the Sydney Random Riders coming from.
Right. He's plate hanging off his bag.
Yeah. It's not as bad as the other kids here riding around without anything at all.
Yeah, I've seen them. Looks like they didn't even show up to fucking La Perouse. It's all, like I said, it's all random groups. Those guys are a random group. Those ones across the street, they're random. These ones are another random group. There was a group that was a bit further down there. That was another random group. The guys that I became friends with, I got all their Instagrams. We all exchanged Instagrams and stuff. That's the 5th group that was here. So every group is here. Every random group is here, except for the ones that fucking organised it. What am I doing? Why isn't it starting? Oh, it's in first gear. Don't worry, no one saw that except for you and me. Oh, well, let's go home, man. That's it. It's done. It's the night. It's a useless fucking roundabout, seriously. It's like literally there for nothing. Why don't you just make a straight road to get the fuck out? Alright, well, it didn't all go to plan tonight. Didn't get to meet up with that group. Hopefully nothing happened major with them on their way down. Okay. The fuck just happened? You're fucking kidding me, man. Bro, I just got home. Oh my god. Is serious? I have to push my bike home? There's not a better place a bike can break down. Fuck me dead, man. You're kidding me. Literally to the entry. Oh my God. Okay, well, imagine that happened at La Perouse. Oh my God. Fuck you, man. I can't believe I'm walking my bike home. Okay, oh God. Over the bump. Let's go. Okay. All right. Whee! We're flying. Okay, you know what? No brakes. Let it roll. All right, well, thanks for coming along on tonight's ride. It's great. We got home, pushing it. But for you, I'll see you next time. I've got a battery to fix. Hopefully it's a battery. Where do I live?